Hello, everyone. Welcome to Terrifying Snake Encounters Caught on Camera. These heart-stopping encounters with massive and highly venomous snakes will send chills down your spine from the very first second. What would you do if you suddenly came across one right in the middle of the road? The python is probably thinking, "Don't mind me, I'm just an ordinary tree branch." Ice.
What do you think, guys? Scott. Yeah. Just with the lady as well.
He stayed remarkably calm after such a terrifying scare. Whether it was a cobra or a rat snake doesn't really matter. What matters is that he stopped and patiently waited for it to cross the road. Well done. Handling a king cobra with bare hands at the Thai Red Cross Snake Farm. The snake catcher used an unusual technique to handle the cobra. Can it really curl up and fit inside there like that? That is truly a gigantic snake.
Where's the big hole right?
He was incredibly brave and intelligent. Snakes are commonly found in damp, humid areas. He seemed to treat it like a trophy.
Right, como das?
A massive king cobra attacked a woman while she was preparing dinner in Thailand. The largest king cobra in the
ये है
world.
विश्व का सबसे लंबा सांप लगभग इसकी
It's definitely cute. But let's be careful not to kiss each other. Okay?
That's fine. Yeah. If you're going backwards, we're in front of the car, you'll realize.
A massive king cobra that had been hiding inside a car in India was safely rescued and released back into the wild.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Just stay, don't move.
Okay.
Lifting a wild king cobra with one hand, a moment of trust. In many Sri Lankan households, backyard kitchens and storage areas are often messy and unclean. It really knows how to catch people off guard. The Russell's Viper is like the Mike Tyson of snakes, compact, fast, venomous, and all muscle. The snake quickly realized that I would not dare to do this if I were in that situation. An air conditioner turned out to be the perfect hiding spot for it. What did she think it was to actually pick it up like that?
Goes towards what perceives to be the predator, and he's not backing down.
Cobras are probably the most polite snakes. They give plenty of warning before they strike.
So she's not been in a very good mood all day.
Well, there it is.
The snake didn't pick up on the tone until the very last moment. The way it looks into the camera is so adorable. I was inside the car, and that snake felt like a speed bump. Death shows no mercy. Stay extremely careful. Even highly trained experts are not always safe.
Come on, girl. Are you gonna be one of those crazy ones? Oh, so now she's on.
The way she lifted her head from beneath her own body almost seemed like she was warning that you'd be in serious trouble if you disturbed her or her eggs.
Very aggressive.
Hi, baby girl.
The way the animal lunged forward was a classic feeding response. In my opinion, she should have known better. This is exactly why we should use a hook first.
Don't move, Dad. Don't move. It'll just slither past you.
The footage in terrifying snake encounters, caught on camera, must have kept you on edge from start to finish. Which moment impressed you the most? Do you think you would stay calm if you came face to face with a giant snake?